In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of a line or shape in your document. Whether you're working on a project for work or a creative task for school, understanding how to customize the appearance of your lines or shapes can make your document more visually appealing and professional. Let's start by inserting or selecting the line or shape you want to modify. If you haven't already inserted a line or shape, navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your program. Once there, you'll want to look for the Shapes option. Clicking on it will provide you with a plethora of options. You can choose a straight line, a curved line, or any other shape that fits your needs. Go ahead and click on the shape you want to use, then place it in the desired location within your document. Now, if you already have a line or shape that you want to change, simply click on it to select it. Once your line or shape is selected, it's important to know that all formatting options are located within a specific tab on the ribbon. This is titled either Shape Format or Drawing Tools Format, depending on your version of the program. This tab houses all the tools you'll need to refine the look of your document. Now, direct your attention to the Shape Outline option. Clicking on it will drop down a menu filled with various color choices. You can pick any color that suits your theme or design style. But if you're aiming for a precise shade or want to match a specific color theme, select More Outline Colors. This will open a dialog box where you can pick from a spectrum or even input exact color values for complete customization. Once you're satisfied with your color choice, there are additional customization options to explore. Back in the Shape Outline menu, you can adjust the line's weight, which simply means the thickness of your line. A thicker line might be more prominent, while a thinner line might subtly complement other elements on your page. Additionally, you can change the dash style. This could be solid for a continuous line, or you might choose a dashed or dotted line for a different visual effect. When you've adjusted the line to exactly how you want it, simply click away from the shape or hit deselect to see your changes in action. At this point, your line or shape should be sporting its new color, enhancing your document exactly as you envisioned. By taking advantage of these straightforward steps, you can easily transform the visual appeal of any document, bringing your projects to life with color and creativity. Thank you for watching, and now you're ready to make your documents stand out with perfectly customized lines and shapes.